Is clinging the nature of the mind?
It is better to say that clinging is the nature of being unconscious rather than clinging is the nature of the mind. The kind of mind which we have, which you have created, is because of being unconscious. So, if you are unconscious, you will create a mind which will have so many diseases. Clinging is one of them. So, all our inner sickness, all our psychological sickness is because of being unconscious. So, being unconscious is the disease. Being conscious is the cure. So, once you know what is the cure, then you should be focused all the time in trying to be conscious. You cannot get rid of your diseases by pruning leaves. You have to go to the very roots. And the root of all our sickness is being unconscious. And when you say is clinging the disease of the mind, then it is also a cleverness that you think because you have a mind you don't know how to be conscious. So you will become surrendered to it. The clinging is the very nature of the mind, so what can I do? But if you say that is clinging the nature of being unconscious, then you will have to work very hard. Each and every moment you will have to try to become conscious. And it cannot be like one moment you are trying to be conscious and next moment you can relax. Each and every moment you have to, in the beginning, make effort to be present. So that is very arduous. You have to be aware of whatever happens inside you. Only when you are unconscious, all these sickness take hold of you, whether it is ego, whether it is anger, whether it is jealousy, or any other kind of clouds. But if you want to be conscious, you cannot waste your time in anything else. Whatever you are doing, you have to become conscious. It is not that you need to renounce life. So, and this is the greatest adventure possible in life. Because to be unconscious is against human dignity. Then you are just a robot, you are just a mechanism. So only when you become conscious of all your actions, you are higher than animals or higher than machines. A robot can have artificial intelligence. An animal can be very emotional, but only human being can be conscious. To be conscious means you are conscious of the presence of the consciousness. So this is the only thing that separates you from animals or from machines, from robo. So that is the highest level of evolution, to be totally conscious. If you are 100% conscious, then you are enlightened. If you are 10% conscious, then you are 90% mind. If you are 99% conscious, then you are 1% mind. So that darkness has to be removed. Okay?